Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be installing a fire extinguisher into the 350Z. The reason we're installing this fire extinguisher is to make the car compliant with the new Club Loose Ireland and Drift Games rules. So if you're looking to do something like this at home, please hit subscribe and let's get on with the video.
Riders on the storm, into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown.
So this is one of the items that I have for today, and this is specifically designed for the 350Z. This is a seat bracket, so it will mount the fire extinguisher to the seat. So I have that, and I have a fire extinguisher ordered from Murray Motorsport. So I'm just waiting for a call from them guys, and then I should be installing the fire extinguisher, which should be still in this video. The company that I bought this from is 4ffabrication.com, and the product seems pretty decent so far. It's for the passenger seat, so underneath the passenger seat, essentially what we're going to do is unbolt the two seats, or the two seat bolts, and then sit this down. So we're going to test that out, see how it gets on, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion and thoughts on the product after it's installed. So let's go get it. I'm gonna go grab the keys and let's get on with the video. Let's go do this.
Hi.
Okay. Doors are so heavy. Right. So what we're gonna need to do first things first, is need to remove these caps to reveal the bolts. I'm gonna crack on and try and get these bolts out, and I think I was on the money there with the 15, so that's lovely. Let's see. Have on righty tighty, flick it to lefty loosey. Let's get this bad boy off. And it is it's a 14. I'll be back in a sec. Okay. Have the 14. Bolt nuts are out. I'm gonna go grab the bracket. It's a weird angle. Okay, so we have the bracket here. The bracket still has the two bolts on it for attaching the fire extinguisher, so we're gonna keep a hold on them in the bag. For the meantime, like I said, Murray Motorsport, let me know when you get the order in. So I'm just gonna get this open. Vacuum sealed by the looks of it, which is pretty cool. And this is the bracket. Anodized as well, so it's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. So right, let's have a look. We'll see, I'll keep you up to date. I'm gonna try and fit the bolts back in with the carpet in and then without the carpet in, and I'll let you know if you're running a stock car or stock 350Z with the interior still in it, or if you're running it without the interior, what the difference is, and if it'll fit for you. Stay tuned. And just a quick reminder, if you are not subscribed and there is a big red button down below, please do hit it. It costs you absolutely nothing and it helps us grow. We're very small, we're here to help. Any questions you have, drop it in the comment section below. Alright guys, so was bolting that in. Things have gone very well. You well? Not too bad. Okay, like I was saying before I was interrupted there, the bracket is fully fitted, so now it's just waiting on that call from Murray Motorsport to get that fire extinguisher in. So it is only two bolts to be fair, so it's very simple. I have the little caps back on, and then the mat can still be on it, but it is tucked tightly underneath there, so that basically isn't coming back out. But yeah, that's how it looks. Literally, when I get the fire extinguisher, it brackets in behind there, so I may have to re-loosen these and get that back out. But then there's here again, there's this here and this here. If the fire extinguisher fits perfectly in there, we are laughing in that case. So yeah, that's it for this point in the video, and I'll catch you guys when I've received my order from Marine Motorsport. See you in a bit. What's going on, guys? So the last time we were talking, I was installing the fire extinguisher bracket into my beautiful 350Z. I had said that I had ordered the fire extinguisher from Marine Motorsport, but unfortunately there was some sort of long delays and stuff like that, and the guys didn't really know when it was going to come in, which is very unfortunate. But in the meantime, I got talking to one of the guys over at Driftbox, and the link will be in the description below. Very nice guys, got me hooked up and got me sorted with a quick release fire extinguisher. 2-litre bottle, all ready for Mondello Park. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go out to the car and start popping it inside. Yeah, hopefully it's not too bulky. It is 2 litres, so yeah, well, at least it's under the passenger's feet and not mine. Right, let's go do this. Okay, I know it is very dark in here. Let's see if that brightens things up a little bit, just a touch. And we're going to figure out how this goes in. So first release the quick release, and I presume take the fire extinguisher off the bracket. It's a heavy one, I won't lie. So let's measure this up, see where it lines up to. Alright, it's looking like I'm going to have to, so if you can see that there, so the holes are much more spread out than the one on the bracket, so what I'm going to have to do is just mount it in the middle somewhere and have it a little bit adjustable, meaning I have to take back off my bracket, which is fun, and remount everything again. At least we know it all fits though, right? Okay, so I have the impact and some nuts and stuff because I cannot remember which size it was. Was it a 15? I think it was. Well, 15 fits, so we're going with that. Okey-dokey. Let's get them two off. Okay, so I'm going to need the Allen key set, and I will be back to you guys in a moment. 2 seconds. Lovely. Right, I got them. It's starting to rain, so I might have to just hop inside for the rest of this job. So I'll see you guys in a minute. And what's up, guys? So I am working inside. Look at the lovely weather we're having. Lucas is just running his 350. I think the battery was dying on it, unfortunately. But yeah, lovely bit of weather we're having. Just a bit of ASMR for you. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you've enjoyed, please go down and hit the like button. If there's a red button down below, hit it, because 90-something% of you, I'll stick the graph up on screen, are not subscribed, and a lot of you are return viewers. So I'd really appreciate if you'd go down and hit that red button and change that. Big shout out to the guys at Driftbox with the 1-day delivery. Absolute legends, hooking it up. The fire extinguisher is really cool. I'm sure I showed you guys some awesome shots of that. If I didn't, I'll go take them probably now. And that's it for today's video. We're just gonna leave it there. I'm gonna stop waffling now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.